to fix YouTube Premium not working. So to fix YouTube Premium not working, you can start by signing out and then signing back in. This is the easiest way to sync your subscription status across devices. So what you have to do is open your YouTube app, then tap on your profile tab at the bottom right corner. Now tap your account name or email address at the top. Now tap the three dot icon in the top right corner. Now tap on settings. Now tap switch or manage account. Now once you tap on it, tap manage accounts on this device. Now select your YouTube channel and then tap remove from this device. Once you remove your channel, immediately sign back in. Now the next thing what you can do is upload the app on your iOS device. Just go to your settings, then go to general. Now tap on iPhone storage and then find YouTube from the list. Tap on it, tap upload app. Once you tap upload app, immediately tap reinstall app. Now the next thing what you can do is check your payment method. If your credit card expired or payment declined, your subscription may be paused. So you have to update your payment info. You have to update your payment information via Google Pay or Apple Pay. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.